If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error has occurred message, don't worry. This usually means there's a browser issue causing the site to load incorrectly. In this video, I'll show you the quickest fixes step by step so you can get X working again. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. First, on your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu in your browser. Here, make sure you clear your cookies and cache. These saved files can sometimes become corrupted and cause X or Twitter to throw an error message, so clearing them is often the fastest fix. Once that's done, check your browser extensions. Click on your extensions icon, then look for any ad blocker you have installed. If you see one, click it and turn off the ad blocker. Sometimes ad blockers interfere with how x.com loads, and disabling them can immediately fix the error. After that, check whether you have a VPN turned on. If you do, disable the VPN for now. X or Twitter may block certain connections, or load errors may appear when a VPN is active, so turning it off can help the site connect properly. Now, refresh x.com and try loading the page again. In many cases, one of these 3 steps will solve the problem right away. First, clear cookies and cache. Then, disable your ad blocker. Then turn off any VPN if you're using one. If you're still getting the error, repeat the steps carefully and make sure the changes were applied in your browser. These fixes are simple, but they solve a lot of common loading problems on X and Twitter. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.